Hi, and welcome to another episode. Today with C.n.C Original Creations, we're doing what hopes to be the final glue up of the brick and mortar style board. So what we have is cherry and walnut. As you can see, I flipped it on its end, and I'm rotating every other one, getting it lined up to where it looks like it'll be about right. And then I'm putting my walnut slats that I had to lay flat and glue together. So, sitting here flipping them over, laying them out so I can actually put the glue on them. So here we go, they're all laid out. Type Bond 3, it's waterproof and everything else. And being that this is a cutting board, that is what is needed for this. Once again, I still can't find my roller or my paintbrush, so it's the pizza method, which is very time consuming, which is why I use the power of YouTube with editing, and we end up zooming right by this, right to the final two. So there's these last two pieces getting slathered with glue. Now they're together. I use this one clamp to hold it together so I can get everything lined up, get my cawls in place, and make sure it's flat and level and even, just enough tension so I can still move the boards, make sure everything's lining up. And right here, I'm pretty happy with how the boards are lining up. It appears that the bricks are lining up a little bit the way I want them to. Putting my clamps in place. With my cawls, I found out that my clamps were too close to the work surface, so I had to throw some wood underneath the ends of the pipe clamps. Putting the clamp on this side, and I move around, get the other side done, which for some reason I'm having trouble finding what I'm looking for. There we go. Clamp going on. And the fourth clamp is going on right now. And that will allow the cawls to stay in place, and I can start working on getting the pressure right for the rest of the clamps. I'm happy with those clamps. I put this one in place just to give it some center pressure to push everything to where it keeps it flat and even and level. And right now you'll see some words scrolling across the bottom. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe, make a comment, whichever way. Whatever you decide to do, thank you anyway. And here we go. The end result, all the clamps are in place, and hopefully this was the final glue up. Once again, thank you for watching this episode with C.n.C Original Creations.